Hi guys, my name is Varun and I'm back again on your channel GetAssist. In previous video, I have just told you about 3 different softwares that was editing softwares. But in today's video, I will tell you how you can use Adobe Premiere Pro. Yes, I'm starting a series in which I will teach you how you can use Premiere Pro if you are a beginner and you want to learn Premiere Pro absolutely free of cost. So watch this video till the end to know how you can put borders to your video and what are the steps of it. So let's get started.
You need to import media from your desktop or from your files, wherever you have just put in your files. For example, I have taken this footage. Now I'll drag and drop this footage to timeline. Once I have done with this, now I will search in the effects control about grid. Now I will drag and drop this option to the footage. Now I will go to effects control. I'll scroll it down. You can see the option of grid. Now in the side of anchor you have to write 0 and 0. Size form. In the option of size form, select width and height sliders. Now in the width write 1920 and in the height 1080. Now the borders size will be 20. I have selected 20. You can select 5, 6, 7, 8, howsoever you want. Now in the blending mode you have to select the option of normal. Once you have done with this, you can see a border has been popped up on your video. Now if you want to change the color of your border, you can click on this icon, color icon, and you can change the color of your border.
So in this way, you can put borders and you can change the color of your border as well. So if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, share with your friends, and yes, do not forget to subscribe our channel. And also tell us on our comment section that which kind of videos you want to see related to Premiere Pro or video editing softwares. I will meet you in the next one.